Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Christmas nail and I'm starting out with just putting some red glitter down. I'm just doing it really thin because I'm going to cap it in clear anyways. Sometimes I get asked what glitters and colors I'm using. I actually just make my own mixes. I go to Etsy and you can find all kinds of glitters and pigments to just make your own mixes. So now I'm capping everything in clear, and you want to put enough on so that it has strength. But on this one I did a little bit thinner than I normally would just because I am putting a bulky 3D bow on top. So after I've applied the clear, I just wait for it to start turning matte and then I know it's time to pinch the nail. And then I go ahead and file and buff it. And now I'm moving on to creating the 3D bow. I'm just using a dark green acrylic. Again, I mixed this myself. And I'm creating one half of the bow part. And I'm just creating like a little diamond shape almost. And then I'm going to wait for that to just harden up just a little bit, and then I can go ahead and scoop underneath it and fold it over. Also, I forgot to mention the surface that I'm using to do this on is just a ceramic tile that I picked up for like 50 cents at the hardware store. You can also save up any of the papers that you peel off of your nail forms, and you can use that too. The acrylic releases really well on either of those. So for right now, I'm just doing the one half of the bow to get an idea of where I want the ribbons on the bottom part of the bow to go. So I go in there while it's still pliable, and I'm kind of puffing it up, making it look more like a real bow. And now I'm going ahead and starting on one of the ribbons. So now I'm going in and I'm doing the second ribbon, and I'm making this one a little bit longer than the first one. So now I'm going in and I'm adding some gel top coat in the hard to reach places with a detail brush. And the reason I don't like to add the gel top coat before I add the 3D art is I just feel like acrylic sticks better to itself than it does to gel. So I always like to do it afterwards. So next I'm going in and I'm adding a gold outline to the ribbon with just some shimmery gold gel. And I'm doing that for all of the pieces. So here's the finished look, guys. If you like it, then be sure to subscribe. I have lots more stuff coming your way, and let me know what you think down in the comments below. Bye!